Abu Tada, welcome to the show.
Hello.
Yes, hello, go ahead, sir.
In Muslim countries, we are fine there. Alhamdulillah. Our banks has a good profit. All banks very good. And now many people in UK and USA, they want to have Islamic bank in their country.
Most of the banks in the Muslim world are not practicing Islamic banking.
Most of them are Islamic banking.
I don't think that's right.
I talk about Saudi Arabia.
Ah, Saudi Arabia. Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, but most of Saudi Arabia's money is in Western banks.
No.
Oh, I can assure you.
I'm a Saudian guy and I know Saudi Arabia more
You
than
may well be a Saudian guy, but you don't know. Do you think that Saudi Arabia's $6 trillion in US banks, not Islamic banks, US banks, are in the Islamic banking sector? Do you think that the $60 billion that the government of Saudi Arabia gave to the government of the United States for weapons in the last 12 months, do you think that that had anything to do with Islam?
United States is our friend.
Indeed it is.
Relationship with them. They help us.
Indeed it is. Indeed it is, Abu Tada. I think you've hit the nail right on the head. The United States is your friend. And the next day, America's best friend, believe me, they're even more friendly with Israel than they are with you, even more. The next day, your friend and their friend, Israel, announced that it would accelerate the illegal settlement of Jerusalem. You've heard of Jerusalem, Abu Tada, the city with the mosque called Al-Aqsa, from which the Prophet Muhammad ascended to the heaven to come back with the revelation. The illegal Zionist settlement of Jerusalem. Wallahi, Abu Tada, I'm glad I don't have your friends. You're welcome to them.